Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. On tonight's menu, Reuben bake. Here I am doing a quick boil on the corned beef, and in the pan it's going to go, and it goes in the oven for a few minutes. Here's the morning mise en place. Here's all the goodies for the Russian dressing. All the goodies for the Russian dressing in the bowl. And here it is, all mixed up. Just after prep. And the evening mise en place, in order of appearance, ready for Reuben. Reuben working on one of the layers of the Reuben bake. Here she's working on the sauerkraut layer. And here it is with the Russian dressing. And here it is ready to go in the hot box. And here it is after the hot box for about 20 minutes. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Have fun cooking.